Okay, I have some machining to do. All of those have to be like this. So I'm done with 3, and now I have 9 more to go. One of those is weighing about 3.6 kilos, and I have to remove quite a bit of steel. About 1.6 kilos of steel is what I'm removing, so it takes time. Okay, now I have been doing some lathe work for many hours, and I'm starting with this. This looks like this, and then I have to clamp it on the lathe in the shock like this with jaws. And when I'm done doing all these holes from this side, then I can change the jaws in the lathe, so I'm able to put them like this from the inside, and then I can make it like this afterwards. So now I've done this side like this, and I'm going to make it like this. So it's time to turn this around in the lathe and do this other side. So these jaws, they are clamping from the outside and in, and I'm gonna have to change them for these jaws that clamps from the inside to the out. Okay, I'm done running on the lathe. So I have 12 that I need and 2 spears, so that's good. I have been beveling all the edges as well, so they're nice to hold. And now this fits, this locking mechanism that is going to be inside here, it fits barely, so you have to push it in, so it's very neat. And later I have to take this big rod and make axles for 4 more. And I have to start drilling these discs. They are going to be the tire mount. And I just made pilot holes here, so I have to make bigger holes because it's M18 which I'm using for bolts. So I need to fit them here, and then I have to weld this to the axles. So that's what I have to do now. Okay, and I have this bolts that I'm gonna use. Hopefully they fit here now nicely. But as you can see, I need to make more of this so I can screw longer than it is today. Well, more Lathe work. But we have to go and try it on one of the wheels. I'm gonna have this way, and most likely just tack them. Of course, they don't need to be that hard welded. It's okay if I can change them if something happens. But these are quite heavy bolts, so I hope nothing happens. So I don't have to change any one of those. But this is how the wheel plate is going to look like, and now I have to go and try it on one of the wheels. Okay. It fits. And it fits on this side too. Now I'm done with 4 axles, and I've been putting them on top of this wheel plates, so they are ready to be leveled and welded. But I am missing or lacking 10mm steel, so I can't make this. So I'm gonna wait with these axles until I have all the parts, so I can weld everything. So it's going to be straight. It's quite important. I did a cleanup of the lathe, and now after the drilling, those tire discs. So it's quite a lot, and it's full, and it's packed. It's not much air in it either. So I have moved some steel